study English! Yay!
My hands are tied. I can't get out. I can't move. Am I a criminal? No, I'm not. My hands are tied is an expression we use that means I'm sorry, I can't do anything about it. I want to help you, but my hands are tied, I can't move is a kind of imaginary kind of situation, but it means sorry, I can't help you because of a rule or because maybe my boss said so or because of something else, not me. It's not me who doesn't want to do it. So if you want to help somebody but for some reason you can't, then you can say, my hands are tied. For example, you could say, I wish I could help you. I'm sorry, but my hands are tied. My boss won't let me. And then the other person realizes, okay, you are not the bad guy here. So, my hands are tied is a new expression today. Means sorry, I can't do what you're asking me because of a rule or a situation that prevents me. Like my show today, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
スーさんと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!